guys, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Code Fusion Hub. So today I am back with another new video of solving our database problems over on MySQL. I hope so you have been getting the understanding of how are we approaching to the problems and how we are getting the solution for the same. Okay, so in case if you have any doubt, you can just let me know in the comment section below and I'll reach you through there. And make sure you have subscribed to my channel so that you never miss any update from my upcoming series also. Further also, we are going to solve many challenges such like this only. You can comment down if any suggestions you have for the same. We can also cover that too. And today we are going to solve another problem for this video. So let's get started with the video now. So our problem for today's video is going to be the problem number 1795. That is going to be of easy level only. Okay. So we are going to solve this problem now today. And let's look upon what the question says over here. So we have a question which states rearrange the products table over here. Okay. So we have a table which is named as products over here, as you can see, and the column names over here are product ID, the store 1, store 2 and store 3, all of data type int. Okay, that means they'll store the value of int type. Okay, the product ID here is the primary key, okay, which has some unique values for this table. Now here each row in this table indicates that the product's price in three different store, that is store 1, store 2 and store 3. Okay, one same product only, okay, with same product ID but in different stores they are saying. Now if the product is not available in a store, the price will be null in that store column. Okay, so in case if any of the store is not having that particular product ID, then the value would be null over there for the price. Now what we have to do here is we have to write a solution to rearrange the products table, okay, so that each row has a product ID, a store and the price as well. Now if a product is not available in the store, we do not have to include with that a product ID and store combination in the result table, and we can return the result in any order. Let's have a look at the input and the output so that we get a clear understanding that what we need to find the solution for if you haven't understood yet. So we have a products table over here, correct, which has this product ID store 1, store 3, which we have discussed over here. So we have some product ID, let's say 0 and 1, which has this. Okay, now if the product ID, okay, is not available at the particular store, its price has been set as null. Okay, that is product ID 1 is not available in store 2. That's why its value has been set as null over here. Okay, now what we have to give the output is the product 0 is available in all three stores. Okay, store 1, store 2 and store 3. So we have given the product ID 0 in store 1, store 2 and store 3. Okay, in every other particular rows. Okay, new rows we have defined for them and we have given the values over there. And product 1 is also only available in store 1 and store 3 as discussed. The null value indicates that the product is not present in that particular store. So we did not just mention the store 2 because it was not present over there. So we need to just achieve this part. Okay, now how do we get that? Okay, first of all, read the question twice and thrice. Try to think upon the approach that is needed. Let me know your thoughts and suggestions or the approach that you are thinking upon in the comment section below. Pause the video and try to think upon the problem. Okay, maybe it would sound difficult, but if you try giving your approach, it would just enhance your problem solving skills like this only. Okay, so just pause the video and comment your answer below. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to write particular statements, okay, for this store 1, store 2 and store 3 over here. And then we are just going to combine and use the union for the same because we are going to have multiple results of the select statement over here and we will just unite them by using our union. Okay. So let's just start with a problem. You'll just get to know when we just start solving the problem. In case if you're not able to solve this problem on your own, okay, it's okay. First time you just read the question, see the solution and then just try to think again that why this approach was used, and then again try to solve the problem by your own after a few days. After a few days, try, and you will just learn how to solve the problems eventually. Okay, so what are we going to do is we are going to first of all select what we all need is the product ID, the store which has the stores 1, 2, and 3, and the price over here. Okay, so what we are going to take, we are going to take the product ID as it is because there is no change in the product ID column. Okay, so we got the product ID over here. Now what we are going to do is we want store. Okay, but we have store 1, store 2, and store 3, all of them, but we just want a particular column that is named as store over here. So what we'll do is we'll just take this store one. Okay, and now I'll be saving this as the column name store. Okay, I want the result over here as store as one column over here. Now what we are going to do is move on to price. Okay, we will go on store one. Okay, and get the price over here. Okay, now what we are getting the price from the products table over here, correct? So we got the products table over here where the store one is not null. Okay, if we get null value, we are not going to include, okay, in the result table only. So we will check only the not null values would be present in the result table. So we'll check that the value is null, then it is excluded from the table, and if it is present, then only it is included in the table. Now what we will do is we are just going to do the same thing here for our store 2 over here. Okay, we are going to take the store 2 and use the store column only over here, take the price over here for the store. From which table we are going to use this is nothing but our products table, correct, where we are going to check that where our store 2 is not null. Okay, what we'll be doing is we'll be going for our store 3 also over here. We'll just select our product ID and we'll go for the store 3 details, as we have to mention the name of the column as store. We have to take the price of the store 3, and where do we get all this from is our products table. Okay, where any of our values is not null. Okay, now after we have written these 3 queries, okay, we'll get 3 different results, but I want all the results to be combined into one table. So what I'll be using is union all. Okay, so what does this union all do over here? This union all combines the results of all these 3 queries into one single table over here. Okay, so we'll get a result from this query, we'll get a result from this query and from this query, and we'll just make a union all together and make this result into one single particular table, which will give us this output which we are expecting over here. Okay, so we'll just run our test case and check whether we are not facing any issue. Yeah, so our test case has been accepted over here, and the output is also what we had expected. So we'll just submit our code and evaluate all the hidden test cases that have been present over here. And yes, our test cases also have been accepted over here according to the description that was provided. Okay, so this was quite an easy problem where we just have to use some select queries and check the conditions accordingly and just unite them all together using the union. Okay, so this was quite an easy problem. I hope so you have understood this. If you have any issue or if you're facing any difficulties, you can let me know in the comment section below and I'll help you through that. And make sure you have subscribed to my channel so that you never miss any update from any of the playlists that are upcoming over there. And if you like the video, then hit the like button and share it with all your friends and colleagues. I'll see you guys in the next lecture with another amazing video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.